Hey guys, this is Idhanta here with the iOS Jedi blog, and today we're gonna talk about iReminder. iReminder is a tweak which was released a couple of days ago in Cydia, but due to a couple of bugs, the developer had to update it and has kindly sent me the deb for previewing. So now let's check it out. What basically the tweak allows you to do is that it adds your reminders or your notes to the lock screen so that you never have to forget them. Now let's get into it. It adds a settings panel over here. First up is iPad version. You can toggle it to on if you're using an iPad. Next is edit on lock screen. We'll get to it in a bit. Next is custom color. You can choose any color for the text. I've chosen white, but you saw it as a different color because I was using use random color. What use random color allows you to do is that it changes the color of the text every time you unlock the device and lock it again. So that's it. You can choose a custom font. It has over 184 fonts. So let me just show you one of them. Let's check about Arial Hebrew. And you see the font is changed. Let me just go back to Arial. And you see it's changed again. Next is reminders text size. You can just scroll this to maximum or minimum. You see that it's become too large. I'll just take it back to normal. And that should do it. Center text. If you toggle this to on, it'll be displayed in the center of the screen. Next up is display notes app. Now this is where the tweak has its plus points. So now it integrates it with the notes app. So now let's head to what display notes app does that. This is written in my notes app and not in the reminders given over here. So let's head to the notes app. If you go to the notes app, you see preview iReminder, and now if you see, it has, instead of the plus, iReminder written over here. On tapping this, you will see scroll to top or iReminder. Scroll to top sorry for that. With scroll to top, if you have a long note, you can directly scroll to top by just tapping it. And if you tap on iReminder, what it does, it puts your notes app reminder on your lock screen. So that's what it does. Next up is more notes app. What more notes app does, it adds the iReminder button over there. And now let's disable the notes app, and if you see, there's nothing over here. And now if I type in reminder, what should I type down? Okay, just check it. Let me type down anything. Now you should note that the reminder won't be updated if your keyboard is up, so you have to dismiss your keyboard. You can do that using pull to dismiss, and if you haven't checked the video of pull to dismiss, go ahead and check it out. Now if you see, the reminder will be updated and it is on the lock screen. But I prefer to use the notes app, so that's just me. You can choose anything you want. And it also allows you to hide when charging. Suppose I just put my charging cable on. Now that you see my device is being charged, you will see that the reminder has disappeared thanks to the toggle of hide when charging. So yeah, one thing left is edit on lock screen. For edit on lock screen, you will have to enable display notes app so that you can edit it. Now let me just show you how to do it. Oh, let me just unplug my device from charging. Yeah, this is better. Now if I tap over here, the keyboard pops up and you can just remove this and write anything you want. Now again, there is the limit of the keyboard. Either it should be dismissed, or otherwise your reminder won't be updated. To dismiss the keyboard, you can either use pull to dismiss, or you can just relock your device. You see, after dismissing the keyboard, it is still there. So let me just show it to you once again. I type that, I relock my device, and my reminder has been updated. So that's it, folks. This is what the tweak does. It is a cool tweak. You should get it from Cydia once it has been updated. And thank you for watching. This was Idhanta with the iOS Jedi blog.